probably heard ads on TV, radio, or the internet about companies that can help you reduce your debt. And most of the time they're talking about credit card debt. There are a lot of companies out there that do promote debt consolidation programs. Now keep in mind that you can do this yourself. It will take time and perseverance, but sort of depending on your situation and how many cards you have, you might want to consider doing this yourself instead of hiring another company. But either way, here are a few of the techniques that are generally used. First of all, if your debt on credit cards is spread among various cards, one of the techniques used is to consolidate all those balances onto one or two cards with a lower interest rate. And another technique that is used is, particularly with these companies, is that some of them do have agreements with the companies to either reduce or eliminate some of the interest and penalties that have already been assessed on your account in exchange for a lump sum payment or an installment plan put in place. Now remember, this won't work if you're creating new debt on top of it, so it's sort of obvious, but a caveat regardless. Now it had been the case that credit card companies, of course, want to get paid. So if you feel that you're going to have a hard time making payments, or you already are, it had been the case that contacting the credit card company and working with them, they would have been more inclined to work with you. But under the current climate, it's even tough to do that. Again, it still may be a good option to contact them first yourself before incurring more fees using a third party, and see how open your credit card company is in working with you to consolidate your debt, or come up with an installment plan, or yet another option that that particular company may be open to. If you do decide to go with a third party, just make sure you understand how they're charging you, based on, is it based on savings? Is it just a flat fee? Understand over what period of time this is going to take. In the meantime, you need to work on your own personal budget so that you're not incurring new debt as you're trying to pay off this old debt.